Hello traders, welcome to this video on the on-neck candlestick pattern. In this video we'll cover what the on-neck pattern looks like on the chart, what it implies about price momentum, and when traders typically observe it. The on-neck candlestick pattern is a two-candle formation that appears during a downtrend. The first candle is a bearish candle with a notably long body, confirming the existing downward momentum. Now if we have red candles here. Let's continue. The second candle opens below the first candle's close and close out or very near the low of the first candle, essentially on the neck of the prior bearish bar. Now if we look for the on-neck candlestick pattern, we can find it over here. Yeah, you can see it here. You can see the bearish candle and the bullish candle that closes at the low of the first candle or near the low. This pattern implies that despite the attempts by buyers to push price back up, the recovery is minimal, suggesting that selling pressure remains dominant. The on-neck pattern is generally considered a bearish continuation signal, implying the downtrend is likely to resume after the brief two-candle formation. The pattern is only relevant when it forms within an established downtrend. Isolated on-neck patterns outside of a downtrend lack contextual implication, meaning you should only look for this on-neck candlestick pattern in a downtrend. This pattern concept suits price action traders who incorporate candlestick patterns into their downtrend continuation analysis. It's a conceptual tool and does not execute trades or provide automated signals. It's worth noting that not all on-neck patterns result in immediate downtrend continuation, as we saw earlier, and broader market context, support levels, and confirmation for subsequent candles should be assessed before acting on this pattern. Thank you for listening. And this is the Forex Geek. Kindly visit our channel and our website for more pattern guides. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and turn on notifications. Thank you.